Okay, gang, so what we've got now is we're going to use the foam roller to release the lats along the back of the body. So our lats connect at the front of our shoulders. They're a massive muscle group in our back that can create a lot of tension, and since they're attached at the front, they can also have the effect of pulling us forward. So we want to release that. And if you feel with your fingers the meaty part of the structure that comes down your back, so right about in the back of your armpit, you're going to feel some like a maybe ropey, you know, there's this mass here, right? So I want you to feel that, see if there's a tender place, a tender spot, and that'll give you a good idea. If you're not quite feeling one right now, see I've got one right here. So if you're not quite feeling that right now, come down onto the roller, place the back of that armpit area onto the roller, lying on your side, and then just move around until you've got a bit of a tender place, a grumpy spot, so to speak. See, there, I found one. And then all you're going to do now is kind of pause over that spot and move your hand, changing your arm. So you're just going to move your arm in an arcing motion forward and then move it back. All right. Just moving the arm a couple times back and forth, and then find a spot where you feel more tension going through under that foam roller. So for me, it's here. And then I'm just going to move my hand, just rolling my hand, palm down and palm up. All right, try that. And then also, while I'm in this position with this increased tension, I can feel the pressure under there. I'm just going to roll my body back and forth a little bit, kind of keeping that roller underneath that trigger point, and I'm going to roll my chest down, and then I'm going to open up, and I'm changing how the pressure is applied through that area, trying to get some of the tissue, the strands of fascia to separate a little bit. All right, so then explore this arm position again, see if there's another place that's a bit tight, maybe here for me a little bit. So I'm going to repeat that. I'm just going to roll back and forth, and then I'm also going to roll my hand up and down. Okay, so take some pressure off. If it's more than 30 seconds, try to take the pressure off every 20 to 30 seconds, and then you can go back, come down. And now I've done that a few times. Now I'm going to do more rolling here, and then I also want to do that tractioning. So what we're doing is we're effectively trying to drag the skin left and right, north and south. So I'm on that spot, and now I'm going to push my body back, trying to drag that tissue, and I'm going to push my body forward. So I'm just kind of dragging with the weight of my body. It's applying pressure and some torsional pressure through that area to get it to loosen up. Okay, so again, don't be at this for more than a couple minutes. Pressure no longer than 30 seconds at a time. And you don't want to go hard at it because you don't want to bruise the area. You just want to get it to release. Okay, so we're not into like jamming and cramming and causing pain. We want it to open and release and feel good. All right, let me know how you go with that one.